So, your company is ready to launch a new disposable medical device or updating one that's already on the market, but you need help producing it on time and at the highest quality. Consider Remington Medical. As your contract manufacturer, our job is to make your job much easier. At Remington, we own 3 state-of-the-art facilities, which enable us to manufacture your device on time, within budget, and to the highest quality standards. Remington will be your one-stop shop. We can provide product design and management with rapid prototyping, an in-house injection mold and tool shop, the manufacturing and assembly of your devices, plus, of course, sterilization and final packaging. Because we outsource nothing in this manufacturing cycle, we can closely monitor every step taken in the design, development, and completion of your device. Learn more about what Remington Medical can do for you. We invite you to contact us today.